Hello, my dears. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. Today we will talk about letter Y. Letter Y has three sounds. The first sound is initial sound, and the second sound is final sound as long I. The last thing is final sound as long E. Let's start to practice together. Hello, I'm Mr. Y. Now I will tell you my initial sound. My initial sound is yeah, yeah, yes. Now, can you tell me what's my initial sound? Super, yeah, yeah, yeah. Come with me. Do you know any words begin with y sound? Super, yo-yo. Good job. Yeah, yeah, yo-yo. What else? Yard, yard. Good job. Say with me. Yeah, yeah, yard. And what else? Yeah, yeah. Yarn. Good job. So, the initial sound of Y is yeah, yeah, yeah. Excellent. What else? Now we have a story of Y. Letter Y want to act as long I and long E. So, the Y steals the sound of I and E and grab them in a big bag and run away. Then, let's ask Mr. Y, when can we say the long sound of I, Mr. Y? In a one-syllable words, Y says I. So, I have to have a one-syllable word. As in, look at this word. It has only one syllable. I can't cut it into two or more. So the Y here are going to say I. So let's read the word together. Cry. Excellent. How about this word? Fly. Good job. What about this word? Sky. Super. Here is the sky. Now, tell us, Mr. Y, when can we say the long sound of E? In a two-syllable words, Y says E. Let's see the words. Look at this word. I can cut this word into two syllables. Let's cut it with me. I will cut it, the first two letters together and the second two letters together. B. The Y here said E. Good job. So baby. Say it fast. Baby. Excellent. What else? I can cut it into candy. Candy. So let's say it fast. Candy. Good job. What else? Happy. Happy. Faster. Happy. Excellent. What else? Jelly. Jelly. Faster. Jelly. Yummy, yummy jelly. Now, let's read these words together. Look at the first column. The first column had the initial sound of Y, which is Y. So let's read these words together. Yo-yo, yard, yarn, yawn. The second two columns, the Y will make the long sound of I. Cry, dry, fly, my, try, why, shy, my, spy. The last two columns, it has two-syllable words, so the Y will make E sound. So let's read the words. Baby, candy, happy, sunny, rainy, very, sadly, jelly, funny, bunny. Excellent. The end. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.